बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak up? Why don't you speak up? मुझे नहीं पता कि कैसे बोलूं। I don't know how to express myself. I don't know how to express myself. बेखौफ होकर बोलो। Speak fearlessly. Speak fearlessly. तुम्हारी बात सुनने में मुझे खुशी होगी। I'd be happy to hear your thoughts. I'd be happy to hear your thoughts. घर चले? Shall we go home? Shall we go home? घर जाने का वक्त हो गया है। It's time to go home. It's time to go home. चलो पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं। Let's eat something first. Let's eat something first. मैं तैयार हूँ, चलो। I'm ready, let's go. I'm ready, let's go. आप भी हमारे साथ आओगे ना? Will you also come along? Will you also come along? आप अकेले नहीं हो। You're not alone. You're not alone. क्या आप अभी भी परेशान हो? Are you still worried? Are you still worried? क्या परेशानी है आपको? What's bothering you? What's bothering you? क्या मैं किसी तरह से तुम्हारी मदद कर सकती हूँ? Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? तुम्हें यहीं रहना चाहिए। You should stay here. You should stay here. मेरी फिक्र मत करो। Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है। Nothing's happened to me. Nothing's happened to me. क्या आप भूल गए कि उस दिन आपने क्या कहा था? Did you forget what you said that day? Did you forget what you said that day? क्या आप अपनी बात पर कायम हो? Are you sticking to what you said? Are you sticking to what you said? याद दिलाने का शुक्रिया। Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. मुझे अब याद आया। I remember now. I remember now. मैं अपनी बात पर कायम हूँ। I stand by what I said. I stand by what I said. मैं कुछ नहीं भूला। I haven't forgotten anything. I haven't forgotten anything. मुझे पता था आपको याद होगा। I knew you'd remember. I knew you'd remember. मैं अपनी बातें कभी नहीं भूलता। I never forget my words. I never forget my words. लेकिन अब हालात बदल गए हैं। But now things have changed. But now things have changed. समय के साथ सब कुछ बदल जाता है। Everything changes with time. Everything changes with time. बदलाव ही जिंदगी है। Change is life. Change is life. हमें समय के साथ चलना चाहिए। We must move with the time. We must move with the time. अगर आप मेरी जगह होते तो क्या करते? What would you do if you were me? What would you do if you were me? मैं भी वही करता जो तुमसे करने को कह रहा हूँ। I would have done what I'm telling you to do. I would have done what I'm telling you to do. ये वाकई अच्छी बात है। This is really good thing. This is really good thing. हमें इस पर गर्व होना चाहिए। We should be proud of it. We should be proud of it. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह हमारे लिए फायदेमंद है? Do you think this is beneficial for us? Do you think this is beneficial for us? हमें इसका फायदा उठाना चाहिए। We should make the most out of it. We should make the most out of it. अब हम घर चलेंगे। Now we'll go back home. Now we'll go back home. घर जाने के तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready to go home. Get ready to go home. घर पहुंचकर आराम करेंगे। We'll rest once we reach home. We'll rest once we reach home. घर पहुंचने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take to reach home? How long will it take to reach home? घर पर कोई हमारा इंतजार कर रहा है। Someone is waiting for us at home. Someone is waiting for us at home. इतना तो मेरी बात मान सकते हो ना? You can agree to this much, right? You can agree to this much, right? ठीक है, मान लेते हैं. All right, let's accept. All right, let's accept. हम यहाँ बेकार बैठे नहीं रह सकते. We can't sit here idle. We can't sit here idle. हमें जल्दी कुछ करना होगा. We need to do something quickly. We need to do something quickly. मेरे लिए दुआ करना. Pray for me. Pray for me. बिल्कुल मैं तुम्हारे लिए दुआ करूंगी. Of course I'll pray for you. Of course I'll pray for you. इसके बारे में सोच लो. Think about it. Think about it. इसके बारे में आपकी क्या राय है? What's your opinion about it? What's your opinion about it? यह अच्छा आइडिया है. It's a good idea.